Welcome to Air Conditioner Repair, Beaumount-Wilshire, Portland, Oregon. Right Now Heating and Cooling. Our address is 12725 Southwest Millikan Way, Suite 300A, Beaverton, Oregon 97005. If you're looking for a dependable HVAC contractor in your area, it is best to turn at none other than Right Now Heating and Cooling. Our skilled team provides services for residential as well as commercial properties. We have more than 25 years of expertise in the HVAC business and are able to handle all of your most difficult HVAC issues. Our HVAC contractors and technicians are skilled in all aspects of the cooling and heating industry. They offer exceptional service, with exceptional outcomes, exceptional customer service and competitive prices. Our team takes pride in staying current in technologies and codes in order to keep your home and family healthy. We enjoy what we do, and that is evident in the quality of our work on each job regardless of size or complexity. Our HVAC contractors handle small heating and cooling tasks from maintenance calls to major central installation of cooling and heating systems. We only employ factory-trained technicians. They're the best in the business, which means you can be assured that your job will be completed perfectly every time. Right Now Heating and Cooling is planning to continue our relationship regardless of when the new equipment is installed. Our ongoing services are designed to ensure your unit operates at its peak efficiency, without interruptions or breakdowns. The services we offer include furnace repair, furnace installation, air conditioner repair, air conditioner installation, heat pump repair, heat pump installation, central heating repair, central heating installation, thermostat repair, thermostat installation, and various other services. Our strategy has always been simple, which is to offer a fair price with qualified HVAC technicians, with no charges hidden, and backed by a 100% guarantee on the quality of the work. If you require any heating or cooling issues, or installation services at your house or office, our HVAC technicians are available to help you. We have a variety of pricing options, and we guarantee our work. Emergency and weekend service, as in warranties on all parts and labor. Visit our website, or contact us at 503-300-6124.